Can't the future just wait? Can't the deadlines come fashionably late? I could push every goal back, take control back, if they roll back the rate at which time starts to fly. Never landing or standing by, never taking a break, never making me retry. Every nickel and dime, every quarter to two. But maybe it's time to let time pass through. If the future is bright, it doesn't shine at that end of the tunnel light, more like a deer in the headlights. Sudden red lights are your deadlights as the anglerfish bite. It's not fair. The past is clear, but it's clear back there. What's ahead, no one knows, but it's closing in, we swear. Still not in my prime, I have so much to